Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In today's lecture, we will be taking up solving a Diophantine equation in which three variables are there. It's a challenging problem. It involves a lot of number theory theorems, and also to solve the Diophantine equation having three variables, that is, if a, b and n, these are the three variables, are greater than 1, and also ab plus a square b plus a square b square plus a cube b square plus a cube b cube up to a to the power of n bn is equal to 570075. Find a, b and n integers greater than 1. We have to find them. It's a excellent Diophantine equation where three variables are there, single equation is there. A, b are the variables, n is the power of the variables. N is also varying here. Hence, we can conclude that a, b, n, all the three are variables. Let us try to solve it. It's a very good example. Let's go further. It's a challenging example. It's not a simple example. It's a challenging Diophantine equation. Useful for IIT JEE and also Maths Olympiad, IMO, International Mathematics Olympiad, and other Mathematics Olympiad examinations and higher level examinations like CSIR Mathematics. Let's go for solving it. What is the question given here? Find a, b and n greater than 1 such that ab plus a square b plus a square b square plus a cube b square plus up to a to the power of n into b to the power of n is equal to 570075, a 6-digit number. Let us try to solve this question. ab plus a square b plus a square b square plus up to a to the power of n b to the power of n is equal to 570075 is given to us. And also the condition is that a, b and n are greater than 1. We have to find out n and a and b, which satisfies this equation. Let us take a, b as common in the left hand side. 1 plus a plus ab plus a square b plus up to ab is gone, a to the power of n minus 1 into b to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 570075. Now, let AB is equal to some R. Let us say That implies r into one plus a plus r plus r into a plus up to r to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 570075. As a, b and n are greater than 1, r will be greater than 1. That implies 570075 is divisible by r. As 1 plus a plus r plus ar plus up to r to the power of n minus 1 is greater than 1 and integer a, b and n is greater than 1 and also let us say integers, because we are dealing with Diophantine equations. Are you able to follow this? Hence, right hand side 570075 is divisible by r and also divisible by 1 plus a plus r ar a to the power of n minus 1 into, here we can even write it as r to the power of n minus 1. It is divisible by both. This is the condition what we have got. Now, as 570075 is divisible by r or ab, let us find the factors. Find the factors of 570075. Five 570075 is nothing but 3 into 25 into 11 into 691. Please check it. You treat it as a homework. It's a very simple one. You can check it. If you want me to do, I will do it. Please do on your own also. 570075, it's not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. Let us say whether it is divisible by 3, because 75 is divisible by 3 and 57 is divisible by 3. We can easily say 57 it is divisible by 3. That is equal to 190025. Because last digit is 5, it should be divisible by 5. 190025 divided by 5. 38005. Again it is divisible by 5. We are starting with smallest possible factor. From 3 we have started with, and we are going our journey towards 5. Now, is 7601 is a prime or a composite number? 7601 can be written as 11 into 691. That means the 7601 divided by 11 is equal to 691. Whether 691 is divisible by any number, that you can easily find out. Find that, take it as a homework, a small homework, 2-step homework. Find that 691 is prime. Square root of 691 is how much? Is 26. That means up to 26 what are the primes? Up to 26 primes are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. You just check for these variables. 5 and 3 we have already seen. Now 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Just see. It will be a prime. Hence, factors of right hand side is equal to, when you factorize, it will be 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 691. That is equal to 3 into 5 square into 11 into 691. R is a factor of, R is equal to AB is a factor of 570075. From the above previous discussion, when AB is a factor of 570075, A is greater than 1 and B is greater than 1, cannot have three as A into B. Hence 3 is ruled out. 3 is ruled out. Now, can we have A into B is equal to 15? Because 3 into 5 is another factor. Factors are 3 into 5 square. 3 into 5 is the factor. What are the factors you write here? 3 is the factor. 3 into 5 is the factor. 5 into 5 is the factor. Small factors I am talking about. 3 into 5 into 5 is the factor. Because AB should be factor of this. Now, either way this can be 5 into 3 or 3 into 5, AB, arbitrary numbers. You don't worry about what is the one into 3, or we can even say 3 is 1 into 3. That means this can be A, this can be B. But this is not acceptable because A should be greater than 1 or B should be greater than 1. Now, here let us say it is A, it is B. Let us try to check it. Now, let us say it is A, this is B. Now, another one, let us say it is A and this both is B. Let us try to check this. Small ones we are checking. Now, first check, it's not possible. Second check, 3 into 5, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. And another variable we have got n here in this equation. N is also there. Now let us see. N is equal to how much? That we have to find out. If A and B are feasible answers, then we have to find the value of N also. That's what is challenging here. Please see. A is equal to 3 means 3 into B is equal to 5 means 3 into 5. What is the equation? We have written 1 plus A plus R plus AR, 1 plus A plus AB plus, instead of R we are writing AB. A square B plus up to A to the power of n minus 1 into B to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 3 into 5 square into 11 into 691. Now, we are going to replace the values of A and B here. 1 plus 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 square into 5 plus so and so 3 to the power of n minus 1 into 5 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 3 into 5 square. 5 square we can write it as 5 into 5 into 11 into 691 by 3 into 5. It will go 3, 3 will go, 5, 5 will go. That means 1 plus 3 plus, you just see here, 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 15 plus 45 plus 3 to the power of n minus 1 into 5 to the power of n minus 1. This is equal to 11 into 691 into 5. You just see here, right hand side is equal to 11 into 691 into 5, that implies divisible by 5. Because n is greater than 1, as n is greater than 1, left hand side what it happens? 4 plus 15 plus 45 plus up to 3 to the power of n minus 1 into 5 to the power of n minus 1 is not divisible by 5. Hence, what is the conclusion? Hence, left hand side is not equal to right hand side for any value of n greater than 1 if a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Hence, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5 is not a solution. Please try to understand the steps, very, very important steps. Now, what is the other option we have got? A is equal to 5 into b is equal to 5. The same thing. A is equal to 5 into b is equal to 5. Now check for a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5. That implies 5 into 5 into 1 plus a, that is 5 plus ab. AB is 5 into 5 plus up to 5 to the power of n minus 1 into 5 to the power of n minus 1, that is equal to 3 into 5 square into 11 into 691. That implies 1 plus 5 plus 25 plus up to 5 to the power of 2n minus 2 is equal to 5 square on both sides gets cancelled. This implies 3 into 11 into 691. For n greater than 1, let us say n is equal to 2, left hand side becomes 1 plus 5 plus 25, that is equal to 31. Right hand side is equal to 3 into 11 into 691. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. For n is equal to 3, left hand side is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 25 plus 125. 150, 150 plus 5, 155, 156. Right hand side is equal to 3 into 11 into 691. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Like this. If n is equal to 3, what happens? Left hand side is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 25 plus 125 plus 625. It is this one, particular one is increasing as a geometric series. Multiple of 5. This will be 150, 150, 155, 155 plus 625 is 780, 780 plus 1 is 781. This is not equal to 3 into 11 into 691. Because something has to be equal to 3 into 11 into 691, right hand side should have a factor 3, should have 3 as the factor, 11 as the factor, 691 as the factor. Is it possible for a series 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 5, otherwise we can say like this, five to the power of 1 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 4 plus up to 5 to the power of n minus 1 or 2n minus 2. So we can even say that. Here n is equal to 4, or n is equal to 4. Can this sum multiples of 5 to which a number 1 is added, can it be divisible by 3? Just check up. 5n or something like this particular is divisible by 5. One plus 5 cube something, this let us say is equal to q. Is it divisible by 3. Where q is equal to it is not 1 plus 5q, rather 1 plus q. Where q is divisible by 5. For 5 plus 1, okay, it is divisible. What about divisible by 11? What about divisible by 691? 691 is a prime. It is not divisible. In total, it should have all the 3 factors. If you go on doing like this, you will not find a value of n where, for example, let me take n value 5, 6, 7. You do some calculations and see whether it is divisible by these numbers. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side and cannot be divisible by for any value of n. What is 3 into 11 into 691? Just try to find that value. 35073. Then 1 plus 5 into some value of q is equal to 35073. That implies 5 into some q value is equal to 35073 minus 1. That is equal to 35072. For q has to be an integer because n is greater than 1 and ab, because since ab and n are greater than 1, that implies q has to be integer. There is no integer value of q. No integer satisfies 5q is equal to 35072. That implies for a is equal to b is equal to 5, no solution for any value of n. Now, case 3. What is case 3? A is equal to 3 and because from the factors a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. b is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Let us see if there is any solution. What is the series? AB plus a square b plus a square b square plus so and so plus a to the power of n b to the power of n is equal to 570075. That implies when AB is taken out, then 3 into 25 into AB is 1 plus AB when it is taken out it is A, then when AB is taken out it is AB plus up to a to the power of n b to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 570075, that is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 691. That implies 3 into 25 on both sides is gone. Now, what is left over? 1 plus a plus ab plus up to a to the power of n minus 1 into b to the power of n minus 1 cannot be equal to 11 into 691 or not, we have to see. Now, a is equal to how much we have taken? B is equal to 25. Let us see. If n is equal to 1, 1 plus a is 3 plus a into b is 3 into 25. N is equal to 1 means a to the power of 0, b to the power of 0, 1. We need not do this. When n is equal to 1, it will be AB only. AB is divided already 1. This is the left hand side. What is right hand side? 11 into 691, which implies left hand side is not equal to right hand side. No solution for n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 2, 1 plus a. N is equal to 2, 1 ab plus a square b plus a square b square. Plus a square b square when it is divided by ab is ab, 3 into 25. That is equal to 4 plus 75, 79. That implies left hand side is not equal to right hand side. When n is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 25, that implies AB 3 into 25 plus a square b plus b square a square b 9 into 25 plus b square a, that is equal to how much? 1 plus 3 plus 75 plus 9 into 25 is 225 plus 25 square into 3, 1875. What is its total value? 1 plus 3 plus 75 plus 225 plus 1875 2179. For example, we reverse the values. A is equal to 25 and B is equal to 3 and N is equal to 3. What happens? AB plus A square B plus A square B square plus A cube B square plus A cube B cube should be equal to 570075. That means AB into 1 plus A plus AB plus A square B plus A square B square. That should be equal to 570075. That implies 1 plus A plus AB plus A square B plus A square B square should be equal to 3 into 5 square into 11 into 691 divided by 3 into 5 square. These two get cancelled. That should be equal to 11 into 691. Let us see what happens. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus 25 plus 25 into 3 plus 25 square into 3 plus 25 square into 3 square. That is equal to 1 plus 25 plus 75 plus 3 into 25 square is 625 into 3. That is 1875 plus 25 square into 3 square. That is 5625. That is equal to 1 plus 25 plus 75 plus 1875 plus 5625 is equal to 7601. Right hand side is equal to 11 into 691. 11 into 691, that is equal to 7601. Hence, there is a solution as left hand side is equal to right hand side. That implies the solution for AB plus A square B plus A square B square up to A to the power of n into B to the power of n is equal to 570075 is A is equal to 25, B is equal to 3, n is equal to 3. This is the possible solution. As a homework, on similar way, in the similar way, find if any other solution for A, B and possible such that A, B, n is greater than 1 and also A, B, n are integers, and yet satisfies the condition of Diophantine equation. With this, I want to conclude this lecture. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. It's a lengthy lecture, but it gives a lot of insights in the concepts. If you feel there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you. Best of luck. It's a very good example for Maths Olympiad, number theory and Diophantine equations. Only single equation and 3 variables. We have found all the 3 variables. Please check for the other solutions if possible. Thank you.